Hey yo, what's up party people? Welcome back to the channel. It is 2021 and I have been slacking on the videos. I've been moving around a bit, but I mean it should be smooth sailing from here on out back to the usually weekly videos every Sunday. We're starting the year's videos off on a good note and it's time for a classic 10-minute drop challenge, because why the fuck not? Mid-tempo. There's a couple of things I know about mid-tempo. Gotta have super gritty, distorted, down-sampled bass lines and super gritty, distorted drums. I'm basically thinking of Rezz, aren't I? Yeah, I guess 10 minutes on the clock. Time starts now. I missed the button. 3, 2, 1, start. Yes, okay, let's go. Serum. Let's pluck ting. Yep, English. Okay, I don't know what the I'm doing. Oh, self-censoring even. That is a new 2021. I wasn't getting demonetized for swearing anyway, so I'm gonna swear all day. All day, all the time. That's too quick. Let's see if I can add some slight delay on this. That is very delayed, I like it. Almost sounds like the start of Madion's finale song. It's like a down, down, down. It might just be a G pluck. But yeah, anyway, that's not for this video. Tube, nah fam, we want down sampling. Can we mod this as well? And add everybody's favorite OTT. Ooh, that's a bit of spice. Bit of phaser maybe? Actually crank the mix up. After the OTT. Sick. Okay. So I'm thinking massive saw bassline. Oh no, that's gonna. I don't know how we're gonna do it. Let's go F sharp. I'm sick of doing F all the time. No, I'm not. That's a lie. I love doing F all the time. Do. Alright, we need another serum on this ting. It is just going to be gritty and distorted. And do we make it? Maybe we make this one mono, so it'll be like boom, boom. That's in terms of like stereo width. So I've made it wide, haven't I yet? How did I make it wide? I literally had serum open for 2 seconds. Oh, because I put that on. Nice. And want some bit of noise on that. Oh, what are we doing? What are we doing? We need the sub as well. Direct out, so we don't want that to be downsampled, distorted as well. It's sounding pretty cool already. We can go a step further though. Aggressive. Oh fuck. No. That is beautiful. Let's chuck it on that other one as well. Not the same preset, but. That is a sick layer. I'm mad chuffed with that. We're gonna have this but this is going to be turned off, and I'm not going to downsample this. I am going to just maybe keep it on tube sick. Maybe less of a wobble. Actually, we should be listening to these two together so we can kind of hear what the hell's going on. We want this to be mono and our super distorted isotope trash one to be wide. Heaps of resonant as well. Actually, we can automate the resonate up. Ooh! I'm worried I'm clipping. No, I'm not. Never mind. Okay, even more OTT. Yeah. How much time we got left? No, we got half. That's okay. I kind of want a weird stereo spectrum field now. Okay, how do I get rid of that? Filter, dynamics, convolve. Separate. Trash. Can we automate something in here? No, everything. Am I tweaking the wrong thing, or is it just not, am I not tweaking the right parameters? You know what, we're gonna leave that after. Alright, how does one drums like Rezz? Actually, the first one I clicked, that was sick. Oh, is there like a separate snare, or is it just kick snare kind of? I don't know, but it's sounding cool. Oh, that's an F sharp. That was meant to be. Fade in. Okay, here's where... Shit, that's the fan. Alright, we are going to load in. I don't know what... The drum bus, here we go. It's way too much kind of body to the kick. And we want some boom. That's just, oh well, we can fix that. Can't polish a turd. These are kind of turdy sounds, but whatever. Not the Antidote packs, what I've done to it. The drum bus is making it super distorted. Antidote packs are sick. Alright, we need some Hundies sidechain on this. A minute, I'm going to add some rides in after this Hundy sidechain. And this can be sidechain to the other kick. Okay, the kick and snare are kind of cool, but it still needs that top kind of... Yeah, that sound. It needs a strong transient. Doesn't matter if the transient's delayed. That? This is so unconventional. Pitch bend. Always run out of time in these 10-minute drops videos. Funnily enough, they're only 10 minutes, so it's not super long. Damn it. Well, I'm going to work on it anyway, because you guys know me. So we're going to progress this further. I'm not going to say like, oh, another 10 minutes. We're just going to go ahead and just fucking do it. All right, these are max for live audio effects. We've got, is it pitch hack? It kind of like fucks with the pitch hard. Yeah. Just changing the rate, which it hacks the pitch, funnily enough. Can we automate this? Oh, there we go, there we go. Oh, yes, we can. Oh, that's only... And we want to turn this off, otherwise it's just messing with the pitch the entire time, and we don't want that. So where does it come in? I want to plus this, and we want to see this. So we can bring it in here. Why does the values have to be so extreme? There we go. There and... Oh, it's gonna take forever. Just scroll forever to drag it up to 100. Alright, let's hear this. And we're gonna loop that because it is cool. Boom. I also want some glitch sounds, that's what I want to do. This can be louder. Also been mucking around with dynamic tube over the holidays. There's a point of cranking up the bias, it just sounds really distorted and weird. So maybe get to there and back off. We can make this wider. Oh, too much potential. I feel like this is getting more mono because the isotope trash for whatever reason, so we can counterbalance that by making serum wider. Red line headline, jeepers. You know what, it is what it is. You know what, I don't want the boom in that section. Does Rezz have like offbeat rides? Well, oh, we're adding the end claps though. You know what? It's 124. It's gonna be one of them. Some glitch sounds. Okay, these aren't distorted enough. We need some more noise, and you know what I'm thinking? Sun chip. I was even thinking about putting this on the main bass actually. That sounds pretty... Oh, do we leave it on or off? Maybe we leave it on. Okay, last thing. No, we wanted serum as well. We're going to take off all the effects like the distortion, compressor, OTT. And we will bring up these values so the sub has a little bit more room to kind of punch through. And can we drag that into a fucking separate group? Yeah, take the resonance off because that is too crazy. And maybe this off. Does this actually sound any cleaner? Time to do the classic Sam Antidote technique. Overdrive, drag it to the sub-ES range. Ozone is on the master. The track is sounding dirty and distorted and heavy, which is what I like. And it is time to wrap up the video. Thank you so much for watching. Here is the final listen of the track. And yeah, by the way, next week or the week after, I'm going to start the next series of this channel, the Track From Scratch series. Stay tuned for that. It is going to be also heavy. There's a hint. Anyway, let's listen.
A few moments later.
I think I went too heavy with the trash. Maybe that's better. Oops. Alright, see you next week.